guys, let's talk cutouts. I can never turn down a crisp, clean top with cutouts. Case in point. If you're not super into patterns like me, cutouts are great because they add fun to your top while giving it that cool edge. On the season premiere of Very Cavallari, Kristin wore a super adorbs black tank with exposed wiring and cutout detailing. It was basically the only thing I could think about for the remainder of the show. So we don't want to go full Kendall Jenner with it. Less is more. Here's how you guys can work this trend into your own wardrobe. I recently purchased this Zara cutout top for $30, and I love it so much because it has long sleeves and a high collar with just a little slit across the upper chest area. It didn't reveal any cleavage, but still give it that touch of sexiness. And the same goes for this top I'm currently wearing, which is also from Zara. 80% of my closet is Zara, or as Kanye calls it,
Zara.
I generally dress on the more casual side, so I would tone down a sexy top by pairing it at Forever 21 for only $35. Legit, so good that I ordered a second pair. When shopping for cool pants, think baggy and don't be afraid to take risks. And of course, finish the look off with a dope sneaker because if all else fails, your kicks will distract. But if you're trying to go out, you can dress up the top by wearing it with a skirt like Kristin did on her reality show, or with some black leather pants and your favorite heels. And that's my look of the week. Guys, I'd love to see what outfits you put together, so tweet me at Kylie Erica Mar, and I'll see you next week.